Okay, so I volunteered to work on a roofing project for a congregation, and I had these steel toe boots on. Okay, so I kind of felt pretty confident that my feet were protected and they had pretty good grip on the bottom of them. However, within 10 minutes of beginning to tear off the old roof, I stepped on a tin tab with a 2-inch nail that went right through the bottom of my boot and into the bottom of my big toe. Now, you guys who work roofing, you know what tin tabs are, and the nails, they're roughly about half the size of this one, okay? And, basically I stepped on it, it penetrated the boot and went into my foot. Now, after I stepped on about 9 of these types of nails that went through the bottom of my boot, that's when a light bulb went off in my head that it would be great to have an insole to protect my feet from nails that I'm stepping on every 5 minutes. So I invented these cushioned 3-layer insoles. And, there are other insoles out there that have 1 layer of metal, but I decided that to really be secure and feel safe, I needed to have 3 layers. So I designed these with safety in mind, and so that I could work, not have the threat of having a serious injury to my foot. And certainly you guys that work construction or roofing or anything else that has to do with loose nails on the ground, glass, you can relate to the fact that you want something that's going to be safe and secure for your feet so that you don't have to worry, you can work without any fear. And so these 3-layer metal soles, actually it's 4 layers, but the 3 layers of metal are very flexible, they're durable, they fit nicely into any type of shoe that you might have, but they're strong enough to stop a nail from penetrating the actual metal, the insole. So even if your shoes, the bottom of your shoes don't stop the nail, which most of them don't, you've got a 3-layer metal insole that's going to protect your feet from a serious injury. Now, it also has a soft cushion on top here. This little soft cushion on top is odor resistant, and it provides, good support. It absorbs any type of impact, and also it'll protect you from any type of nail, screw, glass, syringes, needles, wood splinters, and rusted steel scraps. Anything of that nature, you certainly have good protection with this insole that I've designed, that I've tested, and feel confident that it'll give you the protection that you're looking for. What good is a steel toe boot if the bottom of the boot gets penetrated by nails, right? You need something that's going to protect the bottom of your foot, which is where you're constantly walking. You'll step on a lot of things on a construction site, on a roofing job, that'll go right through the bottom of the boot. So this, of course, is certainly what you want to have underneath your foot to protect your foot in the event that something like that happens. So if you'd like to protect your feet from injury, just go to my secure website to place your order. The link is right below this video. And by the way, shipping is always free.